Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. Now, I will walk you through how to add an asset category on the Asset Plus CMMS platform during this session. Asset Category module helps to group set of assets into one category based on common characteristics of assets to streamline maintenance management and optimize operational efficiency. Fogwing Asset Plus's Asset Categorization module helps to group the assets, maintenance checklists, and team of experts to one category for uniform work assignment to follow standard operating procedure. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account. Once logged in, click on the Settings menu item on the menu to navigate to the Settings page on your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Then, click on the Asset Category card located in the Asset Management. This is where you can add and manage asset categories. Click the Add Asset Category button. This will open a form where you can input details about the asset categories. Choose a plant. Mention the asset category code. Mention the asset category name. To mention specific assets under a category, head over to the Asset tab and choose one or more assets. Similarly, for assigning a maintenance team for these asset category, navigate to the Team tab and select one or more maintenance teams. Review the information provided and click the Submit button to confirm. A new asset category has now been added in your Fogwing Asset Plus account. Asset categorization with team members helps to simplify the work allocation to team based on team specialization, such as CNC engineers. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus demo video on adding an asset category on the Asset Plus CMMS platform. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope this demo is helpful to you. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.